Can you use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in a Toyota Aygo II? No, the Toyota Aygo II from 14 to 2021 doesn't natively support Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Its original infotainment systems lack the necessary hardware and software integration. However, aftermarket solutions can provide partial functionality. Third-party adapters, such as those from CarLinkit and AA Wireless, can emulate wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly. These dongles plug into the USB port and mirror your phone's display. Expect to pay between $150 and $300 for these kits. To set up Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your Toyota Aygo II using aftermarket solutions, you'll need specific hardware and software requirements. First, your vehicle must have a USB port, which is standard in most Aygo II models. On your phone, ensure compatibility. Android version 10 or higher for Android Auto, or iOS 12 or higher for Apple CarPlay. You'll also need to enable Bluetooth and USB debugging on Android devices, or pair via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for CarPlay. First, pair your phone via Bluetooth for audio and calls. Next, plug the adapter into the Aygo's USB port. The system should then prompt for CarPlay or Auto. For wireless, install the adapter's software and connect to the car's hotspot. Retrofit solutions for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in the Toyota Aygo II have several important limitations that users should be aware of. First, expect limited voice assistant integration. Siri and Google Assistant may not work fully with the retrofit setup in the Aygo II. Second, the Aygo II's small 7-inch touchscreen limits app support, reducing the number of available applications compared to modern systems. Third, users may experience potential lag due to the emulated setup, which can affect responsiveness. Finally, be aware of potential instability from software updates, as shown in Autoblog's 2025 case study where setups failed during updates. A real-world example comes from a 2018 Toyota Aygo owner in Germany who successfully installed a CarLinkit adapter for wireless Apple CarPlay. This setup improved navigation and reduced distracted driving by 40%, according to self-reported surveys. The owner used the CarLinkit adapter, which enables wireless connectivity, and integrated it with the car's infotainment system for a seamless experience. However, the setup had issues. Software updates sometimes cause the system to fail, showing that while aftermarket solutions work, they can be unstable and require troubleshooting. This example demonstrates both the potential benefits and limitations of retrofitting older vehicles like the Aygo II for modern smartphone integration. Experts consider retrofitting the Toyota Aygo II for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay as a temporary band-aid solution because of the vehicle's hardware limitations. User forums like Reddit's r/Toyota Aygo reveal both successful integrations and compatibility problems, particularly with custom Android ROMs that can cause frequent disconnections. A J.D. Power survey of European drivers found 65% dissatisfaction with infotainment systems in pre-2020 cars like the Toyota Aygo II, highlighting the lack of modern features as a major complaint. Looking ahead, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are becoming standard features in newer vehicles, providing seamless smartphone integration without cables. By 2028, industry predictions estimate that 90% of new vehicles will have native wireless support built in, eliminating the need for adapters. For Toyota Aygo II owners, reliance on aftermarket solutions will continue, though these may face challenges as technology advances and compatibility becomes harder to maintain. Environmental regulations are also influencing the development of more energy-efficient adapters, reducing power consumption and supporting sustainability goals.